Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my full at-home workout routine. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do all that. Okay, so for my workout routine, I do 100 squats, I do 2 sets of 50 lunges, and I also do 100 standing kickbacks per leg. So yeah, this is kind of an intense workout. So yeah, first I start with my squats. I use a 20-pound dumbbell to do my squats. If you're a beginner, I would actually advise against doing this whole workout in one sitting. I would say just work up to it. So only do 100 squats without a dumbbell. So just do what you're comfortable with.
She causing a scene outdoors, everybody watching we, all the in-laws. I don't want no problems, why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in a man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch how she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Oh oh, this girl be for real. Oh no, she wait till we on the street to explode. Why you causing problems? Girl, it's not easy. Everybody watching to what for TV. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in a man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is not that. She up with business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Watch how she business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh eh, eh eh eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh eh, eh eh eh. Oh oh. You showing off, yeah. Huh. Now everybody go know how you so. You're showing off, yeah. Now everybody go see. They find out for free. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the number. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch how she business out on the road.
Okay, so this is going to be my first set of lunges. So this is only 50 lunges and you don't need any equipment for this. So yeah, we're gonna get started in 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, let's go.
Hey girl, oh. Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got to do, who you got to do, who you got to do. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I don't hear. Anytime you're ready, dance, over here. Face me feel like in the rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act, face fine, sweet and I don't this bad. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the back, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got to do, who you got to do, who you got to do. Come broke off your back. broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song, plus it cookie for your body, you make your body strong. Girl, if problem is know when you fix it. When you dance to me, song it from a big deal. Up like a drum when I beat it, you tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell me who you got to do, who you got to do.
Okay, so now I am going to get started on my second set of lunges. So this is just another set of 50 lunges. And yeah, my legs are usually giving out by the second set, like I'm dead, like going. But yeah, I still stick through it to the end. So let's go.
Tell me who you got to do, who you got to do, who you got to do. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song, plus it cookie for your body, you make your body strong. Girl, if problem is know when you fix it. When you dance to me, song it from a big deal. Up like a drum when I beat it, you tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell me who you got to do, who you got to do, who you got to do. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. But this make you feel like you, 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 girl. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell me who you got to do, who you got to do, who you got to do. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Tell me this. Okay. Yes. Y'all them. Hey, you feel me, y'all them? Yeah.
Final set of standing kickbacks. We're gonna do another 100 on the left leg, and then we'll be through. So we're just gonna get into this, finish strong, and get over this workout. So let's I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys would like to see more workout type videos, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please just go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, thanks you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.